If you are number 9, born on 9th, 18th and 27th of any given month, and you want to know how the new year 2022 will be for you, well, I'm about to share. Stay with me. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani. Welcome to Invincible Passion Talk Show, where every week we have here some conversations about your birth numbers and your birth planets. In this series on how the new year will be, so far we have discussed from number 1 to 8. And let me thank you for waiting patiently for your number. Well, if you're born on 9th, 18th and 27th, you are number 9. And also if your sign is Aries or Scorpio, as you are ruled by Mars, and 9 is ruled by Mars, so this is going to influence you as well. Overall, a great year for you. You will find support in your career, you will find growth, you may find some chances or opportunities of job switch or job movement as well, which is going to be good for you. One thing which you have to absolutely pay attention is your way of communication. Make sure you are not coming across too harsh or rude. This year's number 6 brings lot of affluence, lot of abundance and growth opportunities for you, and you will also feel the surge of responsibilities or lot of ask from you. What you have to pay attention is, if you have those opportunities, that means financially also it's going to be good for you. Same thing, personal relationship, a lot will be asked from you and expected. For you to maintain your cool, unfortunately, because of Mars influence, you're always on the go. You have so much energy, you can't sit idle. What you got to do is channelize it, harness it. If you feel that surge of energy, first watch how you say what you say. Second, go do some workout or fast pace, the gym or the yoga. Your energy needs to be harnessed. And do not use it by saying something which you regret later. Career-wise is going to be great. Relationship-wise, just pay attention to how you're communicating in relationship. And rather use the words to express how you feel. But if you're single looking for compatibility, you may find some partnerships this year as well. Work-wise, there is growth and movement as well. Health-wise, I will say you may feel, because of much more ask, some acidity issues, or you often struggle with headache or migraine. I would again insist, with your doctor's permission, if you can, avoid non-veg and drinking alcohol. Otherwise, it's good. Keep your south direction clean. Why? Southeast is associated with 6 and south is for your name and fame. So you might as well get that name and fame, because 6 and you go very well. You'll find support from 3, 6, 9 and 5 as well. The days Tuesday, Friday is really good for you, as well Thursday. Keep in mind, throughout this year, one thing which you should absolutely focus is growth is going to be there. How you utilize it. The opportunities will be given to you, but make sure it is not just about you. Have that compassion. You will thrive very well. And if you feel you're not seeing this abundance, you are struggling, try to incorporate the habit of giving back to the community. Now, giving back doesn't mean just by money. Giving back also means by serving, helping others. You can use this affirmation daily 11 times. You can repeat this 11 times by looking at yourself into your eyes, because you got to affirm your mind, not just your ear. Or you can write 11 times in a notebook or a diary before going to bed or when you wake up in the morning. I am grateful for joy and compassion. I am grateful for joy and compassion. If I have to say in one sentence how the 2020 is going to be for you, you will have a lot of growth opportunities. Career-wise, you will see the surge. Relationship-wise, you will feel there's a lot more demand, but you're also getting opportunities to find that partner and connect. And sometimes it's good to say that you care. Money-wise, as the opportunities in work and business grow, you will find abundance. Health-wise, make sure you're watching, having good sleep, taking care of your diet. And this affirmation is definitely going to help you. Watch your days and dates and wear the lighter colors is going to be good. But if you feel you're struggling in these areas, remember, give back to the community, give back to the world, find some time to help others. That will activate number 9 for you. And again, 6 and 9 Look forward to an amazing year. Wishing you a very happy new year. Stay safe, stay blessed. Take care.